grow up, I want to be a game designer. Before the event, I did not know much about computer science. I only thought it was about computers.
The most exciting thing in computer science, I think, would be when you piece everything together and when you get the final result of what you're making.
I thought of computer science as just staring at screens and writing code, but now I see that it's much more collaborative and creative.
When young people step into a space like this, often for the first time, something shifts. Outreach matters because it opens doors, not just to UCL, but to new ways of thinking, new confidence and new futures.
One of the most powerful things about outreach is that it gives young people the chance to step into a world they may not have imagined was open to them.
For us, it's about showing students that talent is everywhere and that these opportunities can really belong to them too. When they meet people here, when they see the ideas, the technology, the creativity, and the collaboration involved, it starts to feel real.
It's not just about showing students robots, coding or research. It's about opening doors. It's about helping them see that computer science is not only innovative and socially relevant, but also something they themselves could be part of. It will be truly interesting to see what young people do with the technology that we're developing at the moment and how that technology expands further into our lives.
The purpose of the event was to showcase what we are doing at UCL, but not from the perspective of just showing off, but also to show that they have a future in here as well if they want.
A big part of outreach is about widening participation, opening access, and making sure that young people from underrepresented backgrounds can see themselves reflected in these spaces and futures.
The demos were really good. I wasn't expecting there to be a robot, and it was really impressive.
On the UCL day, I learned about robotic mechanisms and virtual reality.
If a student leaves having discovered something new, asked a different question, or simply felt, maybe for the first time, that they could belong in a place like this, then that is incredibly meaningful. That is what opening doors really means.